Hey everyone, welcome back. Want to boost your learning or enhance project management with AI? You're in the right spot. Today I'll show you how to use Google's Notebook LM, an AI-powered tool that elevates productivity and learning. This guide is ideal for students, professionals, and anyone keen on organizing information. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what Google's Notebook LM is. Notebook LM is an advanced AI-powered notebook tool developed by Google, designed to help you organize your thoughts, manage projects, and streamline your workflow. Whether you're taking notes, creating study materials, or analyzing content, Notebook LM leverages artificial intelligence to make your tasks easier and more efficient. Let's get started by accessing Notebook LM. Here's how. Open Notebook LM. Log in. If you're not already logged in, sign in with your Google credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Click on Create. It's time to upload your content. Follow these steps. Choose input type. Select the type of content you want to analyze. Notebook LM supports various input types. Slides. Upload a presentation file like PowerPoint or Google Slides. PDFs. Upload a PDF document. Websites. Enter the URL of a website you want to analyze. YouTube videos. Enter the URL of a YouTube video for content analysis. Copy and paste. Directly paste text into the notebook. Upload files. If applicable, upload relevant files such as slides or PDFs directly. Once you've added your sources, start asking questions to Notebook LM. Notebook LM will analyze the sources and provide answers based on the information it finds. Study guide. This feature can be used to create a study guide based on the text. This can be helpful for students or anyone who wants to learn more about a topic. Summary document. This feature can be used to create a summary of the text. This can be helpful for people who are short on time or who want to get a quick overview of the text. Frequent questions. This feature can be used to generate a list of frequently asked questions about the text. This can be helpful for people who are looking for specific information. Chronology. This feature can be used to create a timeline of the events in the text. This can be helpful for people who want to understand the sequence of events in the text. Podcast. Generate a podcast-style summary of the content for an engaging auditory experience.
Okay, so ready to explore a world that's, well, kind of familiar and totally alien at the same time?
That's intriguing.
It's the world of Echoes of a Dying World, and we're starting with
All through our assumptions about AI, it seems. We tend to think of artificial intelligence as purely logical, but what if AI could develop a sense of feeling, even a purpose, that goes beyond its programming?
And then there's that message, revive us.
Finally, let's talk about how to utilize the generated output effectively. Study. Use the study guide to prepare for exams, presentations, or deepen your understanding of the topic. Brainstorm. Leverage the podcast or summaries to generate ideas for your own projects, such as writing, presentations, or videos. Learn. Gain a deeper understanding of the topic by exploring the content in a new and engaging way, thanks to the interactive features. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more on AI and productivity. Have questions or need help with Notebook LM? Leave a comment below. I'd love to assist and hear your thoughts.